Hey, it's time to talk about blocking in your drawing. And this is meant to help you get some spatial awareness of the actual piece of paper you're drawing on and to help you just get through that first step of roughly sketching in the objects that you want to draw so that they all fit on the paper correctly and you don't run out of space. And this will help you also kind of draw them a little bit more accurately, and it takes the pressure off of having to draw something perfectly the first time. So when it comes to blocking something in, we're going to be very, very sketchy. We're going to be very, very loose. And what we want to do is just to block in the overall size and shape of your objects so that we don't run out of space on our paper. So the wrong way to do this is to look at like three objects like this and just focus on one like this. I go, okay, I'm gonna draw that middle vase and I'm super duper focused on it. Okay, I'm starting to get it's shaping. All right, that's pretty good. Okay, and there we go. I started it. Now what happened is I do that middle thing and I do not have enough space for this bottle because the bottle is much taller than it. And I don't even know if I have enough space like with the width of those three objects maybe, but not so much. I'm really going to have to try and cramp everything in, and it might even force you when you try to go to draw that bottle to draw it shorter than what it is. And you might shortchange the bottle, okay? Clearly, like, you're gonna need more paper to be able to draw the height of that bottle. So I don't like this drawing, so we need to get rid of it. So bibbity, bobbity, and it's gone. Yay, that was a bad drawing. So when you really want to block something in, you have to think of everybody at the same time and kind of try to bounce back and forth between all three objects. So maybe I will start in with this first one, but I'm going to pay attention to the difference of height between my three objects and their width, and I'm just going to do this very loosely so I can just loosely get a sketch of all three people on here. And then I'll be able to go in and refine the details of everything. So for that first vase, I'm paying attention to my paper and the different sizes of everything. So I'm just going to do a very loose blob, like a big lump of clay like we talked about for that first object. And then the next one, let's see if you can see good. There we go. The next one, I'm going to loosely, it's a little bit taller. Okay, like this. All right, I'm going to loosely give myself a blob. Okay, and then this one, taller, much taller. So I'm going to really loosely give that next blob. And these ones are a little further apart. Okay, nice loose blob for the wine bottle. Okay, and it seems stupid. It seems stupid, but I've now blocked in my three objects. And now that I think I'm okay with their heights and stuff, maybe actually this one's a little too tall. Okay, and I like the height of the vase and the bottle. Okay, I think they're good. Now I can go in and refine them and actually draw what I see so I can start to carve away at my lump of clay like I told you guys about that. Okay, I see that ellipse at the top, it's cylindrical. Okay, and I could still bounce back and forth. I'm like, I don't like the vase right now. I want to come over to the wine glass. See that ellipse? Okay, I'm doing this very loosely and roughly, but that's okay. All right, so I'll be giving you a little challenge to do like this. And what I will want to see, I really will want to see the loose blobs of you blocking in the drawing, and then keep the blobs and then just carve away. So I will be looking to see that those sketchy lines are still on the outside because I know you blocked it in, and then carve away and actually give me the real drawing, a little more accurate drawing of the objects.